What's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I've got a pretty darn snazzy little tour for you. This is the 2026 Tracer 248 RE, and that is going to stand for rear entertainment. And I actually have not seen a travel trailer quite like this before. I don't do too many travel trailers, so maybe that's why, but it's not overall too aggressively long or heavy. But it's got this really cool kind of back room that I'm curious to see what you think. So if you don't mind, drop a comment and let me know what you think. But right off the bat, one thing that makes Tracer a little bit different, it starts off with this front drop frame. So you're gonna get a lot more storage with this. And even though you have the storage, it doesn't absorb into the bedroom because you got that drop frame up top. You're also gonna be wired for solar, the mirrored reflective finish for the windows. I like how the gold also matches up with the gold on the rims. Just a nice little looking unit, I guess I could say. It's a laminated sidewall here for you. Power stabilizers, power tongue jack, bumper on the back with the spare tire, and of course the backup camera prep. We'll get back to that here in just a little bit and give you a little closer look. But right here, I guess, before we show on in, I'm also going to put a link to Funtown RV if you want to do a little shopping. But in addition to that, I'll put all the specifications, you know, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes, you know, all that jazz. But I'll tell you what, oh, right here, dry weight, 6,478 pounds. And you can hold 1,144 pound-a-roonies worth of stuff. But right when you walk in, pretty darn cool. I've never seen one quite like it. I mean, I like having that TV right there on the back. It is definitely different. Drop a comment and let me know what you guys think. But right here, you got yourself a couple recliners. You got a place where you could put, you know, a cold can of apple juice or two. And then you also have, you know, the hands-free on the strut system. You know, babe, if you're watching, I love you. You can see the tan line right there. 15K AC with the dump valve. So bada bing, bada boom. And then you're going to get the one slide out here into the living room. So you got your dinette, drops down to make some additional sleeping. You also got the little nubs right there to make sure everything is, you know, going real nice and easy. You also have the window with the Dracula shade baby. Stop the old skin from sizzling, keep some nosy eyes out. And then as you open this up, you have a little bit of storage there up underneath there too as well. But I really like that TV. Now when you sit down, this is going to be the view of what you got. So I personally would probably put a little bit of a bigger TV, use some of that dead space back there. But I like the fact that you got a fireplace to keep you nice and a roasty and a toasty. Puts out about 4,700 BTUs worth of heat. So it'll really heat the entirety, you know, of this unit. You get a couple of different pull-out drawers over here as far as kitchen storage is concerned. You obviously see the hard wrap plastic for the countertops, the stainless steel undermounted bowl with the high-rise faucet, hitting those dishes from all angles. You also got yourself a little cup cleaner, a 3-top burner to whip up all the fixins, and then an air fryer convection microwave. So it's a 3-in-1 combo unit. You also get room for, You also get room for your trash can, as well as a little bit of overhead storage there for you too as well. 10.7 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator. So if you do decide to add on solar, it'll pair up with that in the battery to keep this thing running there for you. And then you also get a home water filtration system as well. The auto detect for the fuse box. So right there you can see everything is good. It'll glow up nice and red for you if something isn't. And they did a little sneaky deaky storage here over into the corner for all of your, you know, your blankets and things of that nature. Then obviously you got some overhead storage there too, you know, as well. All right, head height in here, just for you tall folks. You're looking at about, I'd say 6'4", and then you also have a fan right there, so it's going to be a little bit of an attic fan. Helps. You also get an attic fan that will help suck out some of the heat when you're, you know, camping. If it's pretty darn warm and you're coming in and unpacking for the first time, it'll kind of brush that out there for you. Then you got another little window here, opens up for a good breeze, and then we come on into the bathroom, and you're going to have, you know, obviously you got yourself nice little shower situation. 36 by 32 would be my best guess. You can fit exactly one roundy in here, so I fit in here just fine. You got about 6'3", 6'4" for clearance. And then obviously you open that up and you're in the business, baby. A little bit of a sweaty day out today. The fog came in heavy. It's supposed to be like 70 degrees, but obviously just getting started and opening up. Fog's hammering this thing, baby. But right there, you got your on-demand hot water heater. You also have a little storage there up underneath the sink as well. Plus you got a place to hang a towel on me. Coming out here into the bedroom, you get a Camp King bed. You also get a little speaker down there. Each one's also going to come with an ottoman as well, so you can move that around wherever that you would like. Secondary AC in here. This one looks like a drop-in. This one looks like a 13.5 if I had to do my best guess on that. So it'll be a 15K and a 13.5, I think. Emergency exit, pull, push, and plop. And then right over here, you got some outlets. You got a shelf. So for your CPAPs and all of that, you're going to be, you know, well taken care of. TV backer, you got your cable and outlets, and then you also have your plugins right there as well. But all right, guys, pretty darn snazzy. Again, it's the 2026 Tracer 248RE, and again, I'll put a link for Funtown RV along with all of the you know, tank sizes, awning sizes, all that good stuff down in the description. Up here onto the front tank, you do have the nice glowing lights there for you. You got the metal front cap. You're also going to see your power tongue jack, 2 20-pound propane tanks right there, and then you have a place where you can put 2 batteries there too as well. You're also going to get your stabilizing jacks are going to be the powered kind. So right there, you got a little leash latch for your furry friend, and then an awning that's going to be part of the Solera 2000 series. So it's going to be a 12-volt awning, and you obviously see the glowing lights there for you. And I think I showed it to you. But the exterior refrigerator, so you can come out, you know, probably fit yourself about a 24 rack of Rooski, and you'd be all right. Outlets, cable hookup, and then you got your Suburban hot water heater located right there with your power stabilizers. You also got the bumper with a spare tire, and you got yourself a little backup camera action there too as well. Flip it around on the back. You have a slide out, which you are eligible to put on a slide topper there for. You're also going to see your volt connection right there. So that's going to be for your 50 amp connection, black tank flush with a little sewer connection located right here. Low point drains and your fresh point drain with your valves right over there. Your fresh water connection, city water connection cable, and then the back end there of that pass-through storage. But all right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Again, my name is Hunter, and this is the 2026 Tracer 248RE. Have a great day. See ya. Meow, 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 meow. Rum dum, ba da 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 dum, ba da 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 dum, ba da 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 dum, shum bum 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 ba da bum bum ba da bum bum ba da bum.